Hey guys, what's up? I have the iPhone 16e here. I just picked this up from the Apple store and we're going to be unboxing it in this video. So I got the 128 gigabyte black model. So we're going to be unboxing this as I said. So I bought this just because I kind of wanted a 16e. Cool phone and it's brand new. Just came out a few days ago. So I'm going to first take these off. So let's see if the unboxing experience has changed. All right, so I'm just going to lift this up. And it is sticking just a little bit. There we go. That is
so
nice.
I actually haven't even seen the demos for this phone yet.
Wow. That camera is
just
huge.
me, or is there a scratch on the back near that pull tab?
Oh, I think that's just from my fingernail.
Oh, okay.
But that camera is huge.
So the camera, I expected it to actually be thicker.
Let's take
There
this
is an
off.
iPhone 14 screen,
Which
is fine.
On. We got Meowtech in the background. We got Evan recording. So here we go. So I'm going to put this here. I'm not going to try and scratch it. And here we have the Type-C to Type-C cable. This is braided. And then we also have in here user manual.
Weird,
this does not have Apple stickers, but it does have this cellular thing. Let's see if I can get this apart.
On the sides and the front.
Yes, this has the cellular thing. Then we have the iPhone like documentation. So I'm going to put this back. It is in the new like iPhone 16 style. So we can hear Meowtech back there talking about it. But let's put this back, and I'm just gonna put the cable back because I have many of those. This box does not exactly fit together well. Look at that. It's not like the typical Apple box. So maybe they cheaped out on price and MagSafe and a bunch of other things. Now, for my first impressions on this phone, I noticed that the quality was really good. I mean, it is a $600 phone, which should probably be $300 to $400, maybe a little bit more. But honestly, the aluminum felt great in hand. Apple definitely did not cheap out on the build quality of this phone. The back is made of glass, and it's even got the nice etch that Apple does. And it is an iPhone 16 series phone, but it does not have the camera control button. Personally, I don't care about that. I think the camera control button is a massive gimmick. But then on the display, this is the only iPhone that is currently sold without the dynamic island, and that is a little bit annoying because honestly, I feel like if the iPhone 15 had it, the 16 should too, and I think that part of being an iPhone 16 is having all the features. Now, I think this would be better suited as a 15e, but I can see why Apple didn't use the 15 name. The iPhone 15 is from 2023, and also the 16 will be sold for the next few years. Keep in mind, this phone will still be relevant in 3 to 4 years, because the iPhone SE 2022 was being sold up until a few weeks ago, and now the iPhone 16e replaces it in the lineup. Is this phone overpriced? Yes. Is it a good phone? Yes. People forget the iPhone 14, the iPhone 13, they were really solid phones. They were good phones. And even though this phone is pretty expensive, carrier deals will probably bring the price down quite a bit, and I think that honestly right now $600 from the Apple website is a lot to pay for this phone. But when you consider the fact that Boost Mobile is selling this phone for $300 under the right conditions, that's a lot more reasonable. And honestly, I think that a lot of people will enjoy this phone, even if the 15 is honestly a better phone. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and goodbye.